I am a marketing and brand strategist. My mission actually is to raise up healthy leaders that lead their own business and that grow a business that is life-giving. The biggest challenge I find in working with clients is it's not me building the site, it's when I turn it over to the client. I didn't want to be in the business of constantly answering the phone to make changes to their website. That does not excite me. And that usually does not excite a client to say, I need to make a change every time I've got to call a designer or developer and get in there and mess with it. So from my own experience, Tilda does the best job of giving the client great design. It gives them a system that is very easy for them then to take it and run their business with it. I had another client that did the same course, reached out and said, hey, can I add basically another division kind of our business? Can I add that to the site? And I said, sure, it's your site, and you now know how to use Tilda. And went and built a whole new section of their site on their own. So that's when I know I've made a good choice. Marketing and brand strategy is just one way for me to get into a relationship to hopefully help them grow a business, but grow a business that's life-giving. It doesn't eat you alive. It can be life-giving. It can give you life as the person running it, and it can give the people that your business serves, it can actually give them life, not take advantage of them or whatever. So that's the mission of my business when I'm working with people.